Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're just gonna dive right into this video. There's no need for logging through. As you guys can see, I'm trying to moisturize our hair with this leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna rub that in, massage it all over her hair, her scalp, and comb it out afterwards. Guys, I was so feeling this space that we are right now making this hair, but sun did not allow us to shine. The sun was so bright, we had to go inside back to our artificial lighting. I can't wait to come out here again to film a video one of these days. Probably I will try in the morning, that way the sun wouldn't disturb us. But back to the hair, I'm patting out a slant line all the way to the back, like from one side corner of her forehead, if that makes sense, all the way to the back. Then I applied in some shine and jam and went back again with my sectioning comb to clean out the pattern, so everything can be sleek. And I started sectioning this part that I've already sectioned out, if that makes sense. Just when we could no longer stand the sun, we decided to head back into the house. You see the difference with the lighting and everything, the quality just went from 100 to 50 something, I don't know. So right now I'm trading, first of all, with 4 strands of Brazilian wool. But after this particular one, I started trading with 3 strands for the rest that I traded. So I started trading, I braided with 4 strands of the wool, braided it onto her hair. So right now I am trading with 2 strands of the wool. I will trade till I get to my desired length and tie it out, then section out another line and brush that in. See, we're gonna be brushing everything in so that it will look sleek at the side. I don't know if you guys are getting me, like we'll be brushing it in upwards. I know you guys are feeling me. So I will I will braid again before I start trading, just like I am doing now. I will trade till I get to my desired length. So you guys notice something here for these two that for these 2 tradings, these 2 you guys are seeing right now, I braided before trading. So this next one, being the 3rd one in the row, I'm not gonna be braiding. I will just start trading. I've done this pattern of trading a couple of times on this channel, so in case if you have been watching my videos for a while, this would not be new to you at all. This will not be new. So I just started trading with 2 strands of the wool, and then I will add the first one here onto it and start trading together. You see that? Yeah. So I don't think I would need to do a lot of explanation in this video, considering the fact that this is our regular trading, just that it is a different style. But most importantly, there's something I did here. You guys are saying that I wouldn't want to explain this. Let me just keep calm and just allow you guys to see what I am actually doing. See, this part is not even necessary because at the end of the day, after I was done with this style, I was not seeing the need. I wasn't seeing the need at all. Like, it felt like it wouldn't make any difference if I didn't make that whole style there. So in case you wouldn't be able to do that, don't even beat yourself up about it, because I didn't see the need of it at the end of the day. So just continue with my trading, and let me just keep calm and allow you guys to watch. But before that, in case you haven't given this video a thumbs up, now is the perfect time to do that. Kindly give me a thumbs up. You guys have been watching my videos but not liking it. I don't know why. I don't know, but do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Again, for this third one in this rule, I wouldn't braid before trading. Like I just started trading, I added that braiding that I did on the other side. I don't know if you guys get me, to it before I traded for like 2 steps and added the first trading in this rule to it. Those 2 first trading before the third one, I braided before trading. Unlike the third one, this is what I did with all of them. The two trading in all the rows, I braided first, yeah, before I traded. Hope you guys are getting me. After that, all you just need to be doing is trade and add, you know, just that whole chainy locked in. And this is the last one. This is the last roll, not one. This is the last roll on this hair. And again, I'm going to be brushing it in like I did on the first roll that I brushed like the hair up. Yeah. So again, I have already braided and traded the 2 in the front, those 2 in this row. And this third one, I am just going to trade for like 2 steps before I will add, yeah, the first trading in this row. Add it to it and start trading together. This hairstyle is very easy, like very, very easy. In fact, all trading styles are easy, especially those ones that you are not trading individually all the way, especially this kind of trading that you are not trading individually all the way through, like you trade each of them all the way through. Those ones are kind of, it takes more time, it takes longer than this particular one that you add and trade together. I don't know if you guys are feeling me, but yeah, literally we're almost done. And just keep on watching. There's still more to this style. Yeah, before you run off, there's still more to this style. Okay. So now I'm cutting out the excess, making sure I don't cut her hair in the process because I still have her hair at the ends of the trading. I did not trade all the way. I did not trade her hair like everything. So you guys just saw me adding this first row to the second row, and now I am trading together. After I am done trading out, I will then add the ends of this one to the fourth row. Okay, to the fourth row, and I'll look for a way to tie it. Okay, just tie it onto that. You can do this however way it is easy for you. This is how it is working for me. You don't necessarily have to follow the process I'm using. However way, all you just need to do is to tuck it out so that there is nothing at the back. Okay, but if you can't do this, you can easily tie it with a band, like tie the whole, just gather the whole ends at the neck, gather it together and tie it, and it will still be cool. Like I've done that kind of pattern a couple of times on this channel, but I just want to tuck everything out. I don't want anything showing at the back of her hair. So now I'm laying down her edges, which is essential. I mean, what is hair making without edge laying? Come on now. So after that, I went ahead to oil her scalp. I do this a lot, okay? It's very important as well. And guys, look at my baby girl. The hair looks so good on her. It looks so simple. And of course, we later went outside to finish up this video. And can you see the changes, the quality, the lighting, everything? I'm loving it. But let's just forget about that and talk about this hair. The hair looks so cute on her. I mean, there is no hairstyle that doesn't look cute on Adobe. Okay. And of course, I went ahead to attach this bow at the back behind her hair, and it just took everything from 50 or 80 to 100. And yeah, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Don't give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share if you can, and see you in my next one. Bye.